just never needed it.
You like the other one where it's like...
Where you just pull it off?
That's fair. Fish?
Yeah, it is actually.
Looks like it.
Nah, bro, it's a snag. Oh, yeah.
I thought it was.
What's up?
I thought it was.
No, I saw your float just
It's not big, whatever it is.
Steel. That's not steel.
What do you float?
A jig, olive jig.
We'll call it olive foot. Wanna go under?
There you go.
Good match.
There we go. I thought it wasn't big. That's pretty good.
Solid size.
Dude, I couldn't, my hands are so cold I couldn't feel my reel.
Yeah, that's how I feel.
Like, I hate that shit, dude. Hate it.
I'm gonna test out my 4K camera. I'm gonna test out my 4K camera.